Alright folks, here comes San Joaquin train 711, northbound destination train of Oakland, Jack London Square. Here she comes. F59 PHI 2002 and Cabcar 8310. Nice. There she goes west to Oakland, continuing on to Antioch, Martinez, Richmond, Emeryville, and the final destination of this train is Oakland, Jack London Square. At Emeryville Station, there will be bus connection services to the Bay Area, including the Transbay Terminal in downtown San Francisco. Nice. That's it. Back at it again in my hometown. Until next time, peace.